Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best dishcloth is sticky dishcloth towels. When dishcloths are an essential part of your kitchen, dishcloths are the tiny engine that can be found in any kitchen. The durable, top-quality Oeko-Tex cotton terry creates an absorbent, thick towel that can be used to help with every chore in your home. These dishcloths are made from 100% certified Oeko-Tex cotton, which means this product is above the highest standards of testing. This product allows you make informed choices that will protect our earth for the next generation. These dishcloths are made with the structure of a popcorn terry to quickly absorb water. They are extremely absorbent, and ideal to dry, clean scrubbers, cleaning, or any other task in the home. They are machine washable as well as dryer safe for simple maintenance. Our top quality cotton is durable and lasts with many washes. Dishcloths are a green alternatives to disposable paper towels. The collection comprises 4 solid colored dishcloths as well as 4 classic striped dishcloths that are available in a wide range of luxurious shades that will match with any kitchen design. They are great to dry, clean and scrubbing, or for any other task in the home. With their chic, charming containers, the dishcloths are the perfect hostess and wedding or housewarming present. Number 2 in our side is Utopia dish towels. If you're in search of dish towels that can stand for years of usage, then look for them. Pure cotton weaving of these traditional dish towels gets softer with each wash. They are made of 100% ring-spun cotton. These dish towels are tough and sturdy enough to stand up to repeated washing and uses. They have the side stripe design which creates a stylish. Commercial packs of 12 ensure that you'll have plenty of towels on ready for cooking and cleaning requirements within the kitchen, restaurant or dining tables or any other place where spills are a common occurrence. The dish towels are light, extremely absorbent and don't leave any trace of dust. The delicate weave makes them soft enough to protect on your cookware, that is delicate dishes, pans and plates when you clean. Elegant and practical, these kitchen towels are handy and can be used for more than washing dishes, but they can also be used to clean off spills, wash cutting boards or dry hands, and can even keep hot dishes and plates. Third in our best dishcloth list is microfiber dish towels. Cleaning up the dishes is much less of a task with a good towel such as the microfiber ones that are on deck to dry. These towels absorb more than 6-fold their mass of water, and are able to handle any load that's accumulated in the sink. They are ideal to dry glasses, dishes and other tableware, without leaving streaks or small fibers. The kitchen towel will always keep its shape when washed repeatedly. The towels measure 26 inches by 18 inches, which is a perfect size. This dish towel is larger and ideal for kitchens for kitchen napkins. Clean the pots but not simply move water about. It is able to absorb water 6 times as much without wrinkles and absorb it very well. These kitchen towels are able to wash dishes, pans and appliances in the kitchen. They can be placed in any space in the kitchen to ensure convenient storage and space saving. Our fourth pick is Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. The Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are made of a soft-to-the-touch polyester polyamide mix that lets them soak up 8 times the weight. Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleansing Cloths, available in different colors, can be found in any location. They can be used to clean boats, cars, trucks, surfaces for your home and more. Microfibers are a great material to absorb up to 8 many times more weight than liquid. It dries quickly and doesn't require any chemical to remove dirt. Utilize dry or wet, microfiber cloths that are soft, hold dirt, grime and other particles, without damaging surfaces. Additionally, they do not leave streaks or lint on the surface. The microfiber cleaning cloths are machine washable and may be reused many times, without losing their absorbency. Last in this list is Auntie M's Kitchen Dish Towels. If you're looking for a way to dry fine glassware or china, the flour sack towels are perfect for polishing the more delicate meals. The towels are made of 100% renewable, all-natural plain cotton. They are constructed using the latest air-jet loom for superior quality, a tighter weave and a more comfortable weight. These are the finest towels to use for cross-stitch embroidery. The fabric is sturdy and can hold its shape, yet embroidery is smooth and smoothly, which makes it the perfect blank canvas to stitch on. The set of 13 pieces includes blue, red as well as green vintage stripes, perfect for creating a stunning kitchen. The dish towels made of cotton are hemmed on 4 sides and have an attached toilet. These towels can withstand the everyday demands of a kitchen that is constantly bustling yet are easy to maintain and clean fresh. For the best results, hand wash your towels using cool or warm water. Be sure to use a color-safe detergent while washing. It is advised to dry the towels on the hanger. If you have to use machines, make sure the dryer should be tumbled at a low speed to prevent shrinkage. Don't dry with high temperatures. For details, let's watch more.